What is the fastest way for you to build a digital marketing career in 2025? If that's what you have been looking for when you stumbled upon this video, congratulations, because this video is meant to show you how to start a digital marketing career from scratch, how to avoid beginner mistakes just like I did, and also the best ways to market your goods or services in 2025 as a digital marketer. So don't skip a second in this video, as I'll be sharing with you all these tips for free. Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Prince Emetu. As a beginner, you would want to know what digital marketing is. So digital marketing is basically using digital platforms to create, promote, and distribute content to different social media platforms in order for you to gain leads and also sales. Understanding what the meaning of digital marketing is has given you a step further than most people. Like when I started, I didn't really understand what digital marketing was all about. I only thought it was about just post. But there are some terms that you need to get familiarized with. These terms include SEO, which simply means search engine optimization, SEM, which means search engine marketing. These two are closely related, but take note, there is just one major difference between the both of them. SEO is being done to grow your audience organically, and SEM is the use of ads. Another term that you need to know as a digital marketer is content marketing. This basically means things like user-generated content, which is known as UGC, where you make content for brands and the brands use your content, either video content or photo content or post content for them, and they use it to advertise their own product. As a digital marketer, you must also be familiar with copywriting and social media management, because these two things work hand in hand, and it's more or less like the basis of digital marketing in 2025. Most brands will be doing brand collaboration with content creators and the likes. Another very important term you need to understand is email marketing. As a digital marketer, you need to grow your email list so that you can use those emails that you've gathered in your email list, send weekly newsletters to them, and also use it to advertise your product. It could be a course, it could be a digital product, it could be a normal product, like a physical product. That particular email list that you have grown to maybe 1,000, 5,000, even 100,000 emails, and you directly send those emails to your expected clients. So the good thing about email marketing is that you don't need any algorithm to push your content, because you are sending it directly to the customer's email. Do you understand? So that is a very, very important thing to have. These, and among others, are the terms that you need to get familiar with. Coming back to the main thing, what is actually holding you back? So let's get started to see things that are holding you back and how we can solve some of those things. First, you have to develop a strong foundation. Now, when I say strong foundation, you are living in a society today that certificates, especially degree certificates of other different courses like maths and other several courses, are no longer in vogue. Someone can go and graduate with a first class in economics and will be here looking for a job here and there. But now, why not you go and get a first class in digital marketing? Don't you think that that's a very good idea? Okay, let's assume that you don't have the opportunity to go and study abroad for it, or maybe go to an open university for it, or a private university for it. How about places like HubSpot, Google Ads, and Udemy, Coursera? All these places are places where you can go and get a digital course, learn them, and get certified and become a professional digital marketer, so that this can be added to your CV. And once it's added to your CV, you have an upper hand when you are bidding for either a contract from a company, or you are selling yourself out to get a role as either a digital marketer or content marketer on our field. Just for you to know, this is not a sponsored video, so I'm just giving all these recommendations because I feel that these are places where you can get good courses and benefit more from their courses. So the second thing that I feel is holding you back is you not being able to identify your sub niche. When I mean sub niche, yes, you might have chosen digital marketing as your niche, but you need to still streamline it down. Now, let me explain it. This means, as I am now, I'm a digital marketer, but what field in digital marketing am I doing? Is it content marketing? Is it social media management? Is it social media influencing? Is it email marketing? Is it affiliate marketing? All these are sub niches under digital marketing. So which niche are you under? Which niche do you want to focus on? If you have this sorted out, then you will know that you have moved at least 50% to your destination, because from there now you have to focus only on content, courses, and maybe informations that are regarding your niche. So having this sorted out is a big step into the right direction. But how do you identify your niche? Now, the best way to identify your niche is, one, to focus on two things: one, your interest, and two, your audience. There are some people that can just pick a niche instantly and say, okay, this is the sub niche I want to go into. But there are others that cannot. Does it mean that those people cannot still get a niche? No. It means that what they need to do, it might take them longer, but they just need to try different niches. And the one that the algorithm, depending on the platform you're using, the one that the algorithm will pick for you shows the ones that your audience are really flowing with, relating to. So it will be advised that you pick that particular place, that particular subject, and make it your sub niche and start developing content, publishing content, and even promoting content of that sub niche. So that is the best way. Then if you are of the other type, there are things that you need to consider. Is, one, your interest. What would you love? What do you love doing? What do you love talking about? You say, okay, what can you talk about for like 15 to 20 years and not get tired of talking about it? Alright, so guys, if you are finding any value in this video, please do endeavor to like and share. And don't forget, we have a community, and you can feel free to ask any question you want, and trust me, I will give you a reply to whatever question you're asking ASAP. After getting certified, defining your niche or determining your niche, the next thing you need to do is, okay, how do you build your brand? Now, firstly, you need to develop a strategy. Secondly, you need to develop a content calendar. This is very important because it will keep you in check. Okay, this is the day you're supposed to post. This is the day you're supposed to do your research. This is the day you're supposed to maybe post some shots and do some other little things inside your content space. While at it, one of the things you need to do is to get testimonials. How do you get testimonials? For a start, because you might not get a job immediately after finishing those courses, they might need some experiences. How do you gain those experiences? By working for people for almost free. No, I did not say free, almost free. Almost free in the sense that you are going to definitely get some commissions after sales. That is the deal you are going to strike with the person. You can also include it in your deal that the person is going to give you a review that you are going to add to your bio, especially on your social media. That is where you now have to also grow your social media following, build your brand presence online. As a digital marketer, this is the number one thing you need to do, because wherever you go for interview, the first thing they will ask you, okay, what is your influence on social media? And once you don't have all these things in check, you see that you might likely not get that contract or that job you are vying for. So I would like you to also think back, sit down, and do a research on people that are offering such services that are within your niche, so that you go there, talk to them, strike a deal with them, and say, okay, let me work for you for free. All I just need is 2 to 3 or 5% or 10%. It could be as high as 20% after every sales that have been made. Why not? They have nothing to lose. If you don't sell, they don't pay you. So if you sell, it's a win-win for both of you. So they always like to carry such deal. Now you can do this for maybe 1, 2, 3, or even 5 companies. Then you can now settle down and say, okay, you have attached it on your CV, and now start pushing for other bigger offices, bigger places where you can get big contacts and big pay. All right, so if you have ever worked for free, let us know in the comment section and tell us your experience. Was it nice? Did it go well? Did it end badly? I know some people who might say it ended badly, but I've tried it and it did not end bad. At least I didn't make much money, but I made some little cash out of it. Coming to the final step, which is building of skills and mastering of tools used in digital marketing. By next week, I'll be creating a video about the best free tools that you can use for as a digital marketer in 2025. So do stay back and you are going to enjoy it. But let's move on. So for a bonus tip for you guys that want to take this digital marketing career very seriously, I will advise you, please start by having a website. You can put up your courses for sale. You can put out your other digital products you have for sales. There are a lot of things you need to do. Then also think about having a freebie. Although I do this in my masterclass, but why not? Since you are my community, and for you watching this video down to this point, in fact, thumbs up for you. Please don't forget, like, share, and possibly subscribe if you've gotten more than even one value from this video. So if you're in doubt if you should go through with the digital marketing career, there are other 5 skills that are high income skills that will give you good money in your bank accounts in 2025. And I talk about this in this video popping right here on your screen. So do endeavor to click it, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.